Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. So today what I want to show you guys is the different fonts and colors that you guys can have associative to your cam tree over here. So if you guys open up your global settings and go down to where it says cam tree right here and click on the font tab, you guys can actually change the font and color of your part definition fixture setup. So like right now for our fixture setup, everything is going to show up in purple with a new fixture or a new fixture setup, and you can see over here it shows up as purple. So you guys can make these colors as custom as you would like, so it's a little bit easier you guys for you to see or easier for you to use. Now what you can also do as well in your tree is you can change the color of your operations. So by doing that, you can just right click on it and go down to font and color, and you can hit the little color chart right here and you can pick all the different colors you want. Or what you can do is you can use the tool simulation color as well. So by clicking on that, you'll see that my tool number 2 is blue. I can come down to my tool number 3. We'll do a font color and use simulation color, and all of those are going to be kind of a darker red right here. So just want to show you guys that you guys can customize these and make them a little bit easier to use. We can bold them, italicize them as well. So if you want something to really stand out, you can see that it's bolded and italicized with color in there. So just kind of want to show you guys that for the tip of the day, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow with your tip of the day. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.